What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Fantom here, and as we can see, it's still looking very nice on a macro timescale here. You can see obviously the bull market support here that we have drawn in for a good while now. It's still holding very nicely. You can see here we've also drawn the Fibonacci in here from that previous all-time high at around, what was this, 95 cents down to around that low, which was at around 15 or 16 cents. And since then you can see just how technically that it has traded in regards to these levels. You can see here this resistance turned into support. We come all the way up, find support here on our EMAs, run all the way up to the 127 extension here. We backtest the all-time high. We come up to the 141. We come up to the 161. We actually double top on the 161 here. We roll over back down to the 141, forming a kind of head and shoulders here. As you can see, if I can just undo, you can see the head and shoulders here. We obviously roll down to our previous level of support, which we found, which was in this area of structure here, halfway between the previous all-time high and the 127. You can see here we obviously made a little range, had a nice little consolidation. We started to form, that kind of curved bottom, potentially the inverse head and shoulders that a lot of people were talking about here. And then you can see we've got the breakout of the range. We come all the way up. We kind of formed that bump and run pattern, didn't we? Where we had the 1, 2, 3 resistances. We roll over, we consolidate. We had the run up, we break through and back test that 141 level here, which was very good to see. We didn't actually back test the actual bump and run though, which is a little bit of a concern. But we actually back test the 141. We run up again to the 161. And now, we've had a bit of a rollover with the market looking, quite bearish over the past few days. So you can see here, obviously, Fantom, it's looking really good, isn't it, on the macro time scale? Looking like it's really, it's basically coiling up for that next move to the upside, really, isn't it? Obviously, got stuck under the 161 here. We come down to support. We come back up. We try it again. We'll probably come back down, in our opinion, to the 141 here again, back test. There'll be a lot of buy orders in this area, we'd say, between that $2 level and that $2.10 level at the 141. And then beyond that, we do think, we'll probably be coming back up, at least retesting this 161, maybe coming back towards the all-time high as well. And then potentially getting a new all-time high pretty soon, because, the Fantom ecosystem right now, it's absolutely incredible, isn't it? It's looking really strong. There's a lot of demand for the token currently because of the sheer amount of TVL that Fantom is locking up in its ecosystem. It's very bullish for the token itself. Obviously, the gas fees are super cheap, but there is still demand for the token to pay for gas fees. And overall, people get super bullish on the token when the ecosystem does well, as we've seen from Solana and Avalanche. So we do think Fantom could potentially be the next one up, where that does have a really good run to the upside. It seems very likely, in our opinion, that we're probably going to see Fantom do extremely well soon, just because of the fundamentals surrounding this project. They're getting better and better all the time, aren't they? And to be honest, you can see the chart is reflecting that in terms of this bullish price action we're seeing, despite the bearishness in the market. So, you could see, what was this, the 10th of November? This is when the market started rolling over. You could see that Fantom did actually roll over with the market for a while, but obviously we got the nice breakout here and we come all the way back up towards the all-time high in the face of the bearishness that we saw in December. So pretty clear that Fantom has a good amount of demand right now. And as we said in our previous video, we did expect it to come back down into this area here to find a bit of support before continuation. So we think Fantom looking really good right now. It's come down here as well on the RSI to cool off, back at fair value right now. So really good to see that we're potentially having, a bit of a cooling off period before the next run to the upside. As you can see, last time there were some bearish divergences here all the way across to this section here, actually. So it was fairly certain that we were going to have a bit of at least a correction consolidation before continuation. And you can see here now, Fantom is in a prime position to have a move to the upside. So short-term price predictions then, if we roll over, we've got this area here at around that the 141 at $2.05, where we could find a bounce down to around that $2 area. Anywhere here would be a really solid place for a bounce for Fantom. Continue making those higher highs and higher lows and basically just coming up like this in this local trend, like this, higher highs and higher lows, coming back towards, if we're moving to the upside, that 161, which would be our short-term price target to the upside at $3. And then we do have the $3.50 all-time high on as well, obviously, which we do think would be a very nice target. And then, as we've always said, you know, we think Fantom $10 in 2022 doesn't seem that unrealistic whatsoever in our opinion. It's only a 4x from the current price, and when you see what's happened to Avalanche and Solana and how much more they're probably going to grow this year, we could easily see Fantom being over $10 in our opinion. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.